Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will share something which is I just wait for 2 minutes because of that. Right now the time is not 5 p.m. 1 minute before I have started the meeting, so I will wait for 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
So today we are start the logical connectives and truth table. Right, the word of the paraphrase and synonym used to form the compound composition are called the logical connectives. How to connect the all simple logic to a compound logic? That is the logical connectives, and their truth table. Their truth table, I think it was already completed, na? There are 5 basic connectives. There are negation, conjunction. Negation was P be a proposition, then negation of P denoted by it was completed. Negation was completed, conjunction was completed, and I can remember that this is conditional is awaited, conditional is required. If P and Q are two proposition, then the conditional of P and Q denoted by P implies Q or P implies Q read as if P then Q is a compound proposition called conditional proposition or implication whose truth table shown in table 1.3 for the all possible truth table of P and Q. P implies Q, right? Here P is given arbitrarily true, true, false, false. Q is given true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. So when both are true, then P implies Q, it is true. That is truth. Jo, true implies true. That is true. True cannot imply false. False can implies true. That is T. And false, false also T. Here only TF is equal to F. True thing cannot be implied as a false, but false can be implied as a true. That is the truth table of implication. Right? Here implications are given. Both are true, then also true. Both are false, then also true. But false, true false is false, but false true is true. So you have to remember this implication signature and truth table of the implication. You have to remember this implication. Now, in the implication P implies Q, P is called antecedent or hypothesis, and Q is called the consequent or conclusion. Right? If hypothesis represent the conclusion, then hypothesis is false, but conclusion is true. Conclusion means the main G's of this thing. So if they are the true, then we can find out it. Here some examples are given. Let P and Q be the following statement. P is given, tomorrow is Monday. Q is given, today is Sunday. So if today is Sunday, then tomorrow is Monday. Or if to, then P implies Q. Tomorrow will be Monday if today is Sunday. If tomorrow is Monday, then today is Sunday. Similarly, if P root 2 is an irrational number, Q, it is a real number, then P implies Q. If root 2 is an irrational number, then it is a real number. We know that every irrational number, rational number, all are the real number. So this is the implication. The implication P implies Q is always true whenever the hypothesis is false, in which case is independent of the consequent. This fact is sometimes described by the statement a false hypothesis implies any conclusion that may be true or false. Again, P implies Q is false only when P is true but Q is false. It is given only false when P is true but Q false. So true false is false. Otherwise, all are true. Thus, the statement if 2 plus 3 greater than 4, then the sun rises in the west. It is false. There is no connection between these two statements. Simply because the antecedent is the true, but the consequent is false, but the statement if 2 plus 3 less than 5, then the sun rises in the west is true since the antecedent is the false, and hence the implication has noting do not the truth table of the consequent. These are the P implies Q. In mathematical logic, each of the following expression is an equivalent form of the conditional statement. P implies Q such that P implies Q, Q if P, P only if Q, P is sufficient condition for Q, or Q is necessary condition for P. These all are the synonyms. P implies Q means all those things. Now converse, inverse and contrapositive of an implication. Let P implies Q be an implication, then converse P implies Q, then implication will be Q implies P. This is the converse. Inverse, P implies Q, that means negation of P implies negation of Q. That is the inverse. Inverse means there the negation is involved. The contrapositive of P, P implies Q is the implication, then the reverse of this inverse, that is minus Q implies minus P. This is called the contrapositive. Now look at here. P and Q are taken that conditional P implies Q. For conditional, we know that if both are true, false is false, otherwise all are true. Here P is given that true, true, false, false. Q is given true, false, true, false. Now TT means T for the conditional, TF means false, FT means T, FF means T. Now this part is over. Now converse. Converse means Q implies P, right? Q implies P. If P implies Q, it is true, then Q implies P. That is also true. Here it is false implies true, trick. Then true implies false. It is the false. So T to F, that is F, and T to Q implies P. Here Q implies P, that is TT, that is T, FT, T, TF, F, FF, T. Now negation of this, P minus Q, right? Look at here, minus P, that is false, minus Q, that is also false. False, false means true. It is false, it is true. That is false, true, true. It is true, it is false. Then it is false. This is true, this is true. True, true means true. Then minus Q implies minus Q. Minus Q means it is the false. This one is the false. This one is the false. False, false means 2. T, this will be T and this will be F. T, F. TF means F. It is F, it is T. FT means T. This is T, this is T. TT means T. This is the contrapositive. Here it is P and Q are given. Conditional, converse, inverse, contrapositive. All are given here. So all those things will be coming from here. So previously 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually here 4 truth table are attached at a time. 4 truth tables are attached at a time, and it is given into the one simple table, that is conditional, converse, inverse, contrapositive. 4 tables are given here. So you have to remember this one. What is the conditional? What is the truth table of conditional? What is the converse? What is the truth table of converse? What is inverse? What is the truth table of inverse? What is contrapositive? What is the truth table of contrapositive? So you have to remember all those things. Is it understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is only the remembering thing in logic, mathematical logic, all those things you have to remember. Illustration, if P, the day is sunny, and Q, I go to the school. Are two proposition or logic, then the converse, inverse, and contrapositive of the implication. P implies Q. If the day is sunny, then I will go to the school. And respectively, Q implies P. If I go to the school, then day is sunny. Minus P implies minus Q. If the day is not sunny, then I do not go to the school. Minus Q implies minus P. If I do not go to the school, then the day is not sunny. Is it understood? Here we are taking two proposition, one for P and another for Q. Then we just analysis whatever the conditional, contrapositive, then inverse, then converse, what are the doing things. Then from here, from this statement, we can find out that first one, P implies Q. If the day is sunny, then I go to the school. It is very good. If I go to the school, then day is sunny. Is it true? I think not, no? It is not relevant. If I go to the school, then the day is sunny. It is not relevant. If the day is not sunny, then I do not go to the school. It is quite okay. If I do not go to the school, then the day is not sunny. It is not relevant. So it is the false. So from this kind of the thing, if we measure and take this kind of the small proposition, then this will be very good to understood. Now table 1.5 and table 1.6 give details of the truth tables for inverse and contrapositive for the implication P implies Q respectively. Look at here. Here, this is the false, this one false, false. As P is the true, so negation of P equal to false. As Q is the true, so negation of Q is the false. P true minus P false. Q true minus Q, it will be false, not true. It is true, it is false, and false, false. So minus P implies minus Q. Minus P implies minus Q. False, false means true. False, true, true. True, false, false. True, false, true. This is the inverse. Now contrapositive. P, Q are given. Minus P minus Q already we can find out. T, TT, FF. So it is FF, TT. Here TF, TF, that is FT, FT. Now minus Q implies minus P. Minus Q is this false, false. That is true implication. True, false, 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 true, 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 true. Now biconditional. If P and Q are two propositions, then the biconditional of P and Q denoted by P, the both side arrowhead sign, that is read as P if and only if Q is a compound proposition called biconditional proposition. Truth tables are shown. Look at here. True is both are the same. When the implication is given, that is called the if. So it will be true or the true It is the truth table to false, but true false and false true, they are false. Both are the same category, then they are the true. This is the truth table. Thus P, hello,
थोड़ा ऊपर कीजिए ना
हाँ बोलो.
सर, इससे ऊपर वाला पेज दिखलाइए ना तो.
This one.
ये सर ठीक है.
So actually for this mathematical logic, there is no needed for your, only the truth table is needed. That's why I am not taking the pen and paper. Only this PDF is okay, and it will be give to your, I'll give this one in your WhatsApp group also, so that you can at least. And which book you are follow? You are follows which book? Did you follow any book for discrete mathematics? Did you follow any kind of the book? You are not follows any book for mathematics. Okay, consider the proposition P. I'll get weight. Q is I swim. I swim. Then the biconditional proposition P if and only if Q, or P if and only if Q, I will get weight if and only if I will swim. I will get weight if and only if I will swim. Clear? Each of the following expression is an equivalent form of the biconditional. P is a necessary and sufficient condition for Q. Otherwise, Q is a necessary and sufficient condition for P. P implies and it implied by Q. P if and only if Q. These all are the same biconditional equivalence. In general, a compound statement consists of many components, each of which may be other compound statement or elementary statement. Ultimately, a compound statement may be considered to be composed of the elementary proposition or logic represented by the propositional variable connected. So this connection connected the compound sentences with several connectives. These connectives already we have learned. For example, the compound statement is such that P implies Q meet P implies R involves three elementary proposition P, Q, R connected with the connective implication meet, and this proposition may be both two implication and one meet. These three proposition may be independently true or false. There are together 2 to the power 3 or 8 possible combination of the truth values. Because of that, here the number of the proposition 3, two connectives are used here, and two connectives, one is implication, another is meet. These are the two connectives, and propositions are 3. So 2 to the power 3 will be there. There are altogether 2 to the power 3 or 8 possible combinations of the truth values for PQR, and the truth table for S must give the truth or falsely of S in all these cases. If a compound statement AS has n elementary proposition, then there will be 2 to the power n rows in the truth table. If n elementary proposition, then there will be 2 to the power n rows in the truth table for S. N means the number of the connectives. such a truth table may be systematically constructed in the following way. How we can make the truth table? Number one, label the first in columns of the table which the constituent elementary propositional variable comprises. Include additional columns for all intermediate combinations of the variable ending with a column for full statement, that is for S. Under each of the first n headings, list the 2 to the power n possible n tuples of the truth tables. When we are taking the example, it will be clear to you. For each row, compute in sequence all remaining truth values. Now, we are constructed truth table for each of the following statements. Here one statement is given, negation P meet Q union P. So for first one, how we make the truth table? There how many things are negation P, Q, P. So look at here, P, Q and negation P, they are taking here. P is taking as true, true, false, false, arbitrary we can take. Q is taken true, false. Then negation of P, as P is true, negation of P false. P is true, negation of P false. It is false, it is true, it is false, it is true. Now negation P meet Q. This meet Q. False and true, that is false. False and false, false. True, true, true. True, false, false. We know that this intersection means the common to both. Now, for this one, negation P intersection Q, union P. So for this one, we are making the union of this. For union, we know that if at least one is true, then the result is true. So this is P and this is negation P intersection Q. So TF, that is T, TF, that is T, FT, that is T, FF. Here no T is present, so only this is the false. Is it understood how the truth table is constructed here? You can take this
Yes,
one
sir.
arbitrarily. P and Q, it is free to choose. Here they are taking that true, true, false, false. You can take that false, true for this one also. It is free to choose P and Q. Then subsequent cases will be coming to you. Now for another table, look at here. Truth table for P or Q or negation P. So here P, Q and negation Q. These are required. So they have taken P as T, TFF, TF, TF. So negation Q will be as it is the T, it is F, as it is F, it is T, it is T, it is F, it is F, it is T. So negation Q is complete. Now P or Q. P or Q means at least one T is there, then result is T. Both are the T, so result is T. Both are one of this is T, result is T. One of this is T, result is T. Both are the F, so result is F. Now this and this here also odd. One of this, agar if one of these are T, then it is T. TF T, TT T, TF T, TF T. So lastly we got all this T. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
So by this way we have to make this table, truth table. So in your exam, this kind of the question will be coming. Make a truth table for this. Look at here. It is. So at first we have to take that PQR, then negation P and negation R. PQR we are taking that arbitrarily. When we take 3, then 2 to the power 3. So 8 possible thing we have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here they are taking 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? They have taken the 8, because of that here PQR 3. So 2 to the power 3 means 8. But in previous it was only the PQ. That is why they are taking 2 to the power 2. That is the fourth thing are taken previously, right? So here the 3 part is coming here PQR. So 2 to the power 3 will be coming here. So 8 part will be taken care. So PQR for 8 part, you can take it arbitrarily. 2, 4 true, then 4 false for P. Then TTFF, TTFF for Q. TF, 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 TF for R. P. So we can construct negation of P. As P is given, so negation of P will be the opposite of P column. Negation P will be the opposite of P column. Is it clear? Now negation P or Q. P or Q means if one of the P and Q, that means if both are given T, then only T, otherwise false. So negation P is this and Q is this. TFF, TFF, FFF, FFF, TT. Here is only T. Because of that, both of this T. This is also T. This is also T. So that is T. Then again TT, T. FT, F. FT, F. Is it understood? And minus R means the just opposite of R column. Then this one or minus R. Or means if one of them is true, then true. Negation R is this and is this. Oh, here also meet. That means if both of them is T, then only T. FF, F, FT, F, FF, F, FT, F, TF, F, but here TT, that means T. FF, F, FT, F. It is the meet is given. So for meet, if both are the T, only then it is T. Is it understood? How to construct the truth table for a given proposition as well as the meet and negation. These are. Is it understood how to make the truth table?
Yes, sir.
So it is required in your exam. This one of this kind of the problem will be coming in your exam, right? So here we are taking 8 part. Now again PQR. That means PQR 3. So 2 to the power 3, 8 will be taken here. Here also taken 8. P implies Q implies R. So PQR is taken here. Then P implies Q. P implies Q. Here T. T T T T F F T F F F T T T F T T F F T F F T. You know that for the implication only TF equal to F. Otherwise all are true. So P implies Q is complete. Then this into this. T T T T F F F T T F F T T T T. Then T F F T T T T F F. It is complete. So for so simple logic, we can make the truth table. Is it also understood by you people? Isn't it? It is very simple. Only we have to remember what is the truth table for implication, table for biunion, what is the truth table for intersection, what is the truth table for negation, what is the truth table for contrapositive, what is the truth table for inverse, what is the truth table for converse. So these are the basic thing. If we can find out this basic thing, then it is very much okay for us. Is it clear to everybody how to construct this compound sentences for basis of our truth table? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then here are given, look at here, PQ, PQ. So only the two part is here. So 2 to the power 2. So 4 part is taken here. Look at here. So PQ, then minus P minus Q. P implies Q, minus Q implies P. Is it necessary to explain? I think you can understood this one. Isn't it? One of you please give me the explanation of this. It is up to you. You people give the explanation for this one. Anyone who want to explain? Apeksha, just try to explain it.
Yes, sir.
Explain it.
सर वो दोनों के बीच में उसका क्या काम है? बोथ साइड से एरो है.
This is by implication.
ओके सर.
Now explain it.
सर क्यू दिया हुआ है और पी दिया हुआ है, क्यू दिया हुआ है. तो इम्प्लीकेशन पी इम्प्लीकेशन क्यू जब ट्रू और फॉल्स होगा तो बस फॉल्स होगा, बाकी सबके लिए ट्रू होगा.
Okay, thank you. Then
देन नेगेशन ऑफ क्यू क्यू से आ जाएगा. ट्रू होगा तो फॉल्स होगा, फॉल्स होगा तो ट्रू होगा. नेगेशन
Okay.
ऑफ पी दिया हुआ है उससे आ जाएगा. ट्रू होगा तो फॉल्स होगा और अगर फॉल्स होगा तो ट्रू होगा.
Okay.
फिर नेगेशन ऑफ क्यू इम्प्लीकेशन नेगेशन ऑफ पी. तो ये
This is by implication.
क्यू, यस सर, क्यू क्यू
This and
फॉल्स होगा और पी ट्रू होगा तो उसके लिए फॉल्स होगा, बाकी सबके लिए ट्रू होगा.
So here
बाय इम्प्लीकेशन
all those coming
of-
as true.
Yes, sir.
TTT, FFT, TTT, TTT. Right.
Yes, sir.
Now look at here. If your final truth table, this one is the final truth table, all result are coming T, then it is called tautology. 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 If all this coming T, then it is called tautology. If all those thing is coming false, then it is called contradiction. Right? This truth table is a tautology. So sometimes it is given that show that the given truth table is a tautology. That means all the last part, all those things will be coming T. Then we can say that it is a tautology. This one is a tautology. If all those the final result is coming false, then it is called contradiction. याद रहेगा what is tautology and what is contradiction? If for a final truth table, this one is the final truth table, all those things is coming T, then this is called a tautology. If for this one final stage, all those things is coming false, then it is called a contradiction. Is it clear? So this one is an example of tautology. Now here P implies Q, meet Q implies R, so PQR 3. That means 8 is required. Look at here, 8 part is taken, 2 to the power 3. Truth table for P implies Q, meet Q implies R. So at first we have to take PQR, no negation is here. P implies Q, we have to record here. Q implies R, we have to record here. P implies R, that is also required here. So W means W is S. That means this one. Lastly, this is the W. Look at here. It is understood how it is constructed. And finally, look at here, all those values are T. It is also an example of tautology. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Truth table for this one. Look at here, PQ. Only PQ, then 4. Look at here, TT, FF, TF, TF. Now at first, negation of P mid Q implies negation Q. So here only record that PQ and negation minus Q. Isn't it? So lastly, it will be coming minus of this. So instead of this UV, we can write this thorough, all those things. Look at here, P mid Q. P mid Q means all those T, then it is T. Otherwise, all are false. It is completed. Now, minus of P mid Q. That means the opposite of this. TF. As it is T, then it is F. It is F, it is T. It is F, it is T. It is F, it is T. Complete this part. Now, this implies this. Now, we have to find out that minus Q. Q is T, then minus QF. Q is F, then it is T. Q is T, then it is F. Q is F, then it is T. So minus Q is constructed. Now we have to make that minus Q and P. This is the minus Q and this is P. P and minus Q, we know that if both of them are true, then it is true. So TF, it is F. TT, it is T. FF, it is F. FT, it is F. So it is also constructed. Now, U means they are taking this. This implies this. Implication means only TF is the F. Otherwise, all are true. So FF, T, TT, T, TF, F, TF, F. Clear? Now, minus of this. Minus of U implies V. That means just opposite of this. T, F, T, F, F, T, F, T. So it is a neither a tautology nor a contradiction. Because of that, in the final result, there is a mixed up. No, all these are T. So we cannot say it is a tautology. No, all those results are false. So we cannot say it is a contradiction. So it is a mixed part. So it is a neither tautology nor a contradiction. Is it clear? Now exploring the statement this, we get the statement this. That means this. So these are the things. Here some statement are given. So truth table. Here minus R implies Q P. That means 3 variables. So we have to take 8. P Q R. Here negation R is here. Negation R is taken. As well as there find out the truth table. Here all those things are T, but one is false. So it is also neither a tautology nor a contradiction. This is PQR minus Q is here. So there 8. B also 8 part. Look at here 8. There also truth table. Here all those things is true. So it is a tautology. Here taken that R T P. That means 8. 8 part will be required. So it is a neither tautology nor a contradiction. These are the things are given. It is also truth table for. It is another implication is given.